By far, one of the coolest features that comes with your video service is ReStart TV. What is ReStart TV? Well, ReStart TV lets you go back to the beginning of a currently airing program so that you can watch it from start to finish. Now you may say, why would I want to use ReStart TV? For one thing, life happens, and when the news or your favorite TV show is scheduled to start, you may be busy doing something else. ReStart TV allows you to watch the entire program even if there are only a few minutes left before it ends. Another benefit is for many of the channels that have the Restart feature, indicated by this green circle, you are allowed to skip through the commercials, and your pause and fast forward buttons on the remote make that possible. To activate ReStart TV, highlight a currently airing program that you want to watch from the beginning. Press the center of your remote, which will open the Program Information window. Now press the top or bottom of your remote ring to highlight Start Over. Press the center of your remote ring, and that's it. Congratulations! You have just changed the way you watch TV forever.